When coils of steel or aluminum are shipped over long distances, water ingress and mechanical damage can affect the value of the product. This is particularly true for surface-sensitive metals destined for the automotive industry, but can be an issue for almost all coils of metal strip. As a result, companies have developed a number of coil package configurations to help minimize these problems. Typically, these packages are expensive because of the quantity and type of packaging materials and the labor required to assemble the package. Moisture entering the package will cause corrosion and water stain of the metal. Water can enter the package directly from moisture on the outside of the package, from rain, snow, frost, etc. The most common way the water enters the package is due to moisture condensing from air that enters the package. This problem is most evident when the shipping route exposes the coil to large temperature changes caused by weather, elevation, or latitude. When a cold coil is exposed to warmer air, moisture in the air will condense on the coil. If the coil package is not airtight, this condensation will continue to be deposited on the coil until the coil temperature approaches the air temperature. With manually applied packaging materials done by skilled packers, it is difficult to seal the coil to form an airtight package. CoilSeal, a patented product of Chadwick Engineering, has been developed to package coils in an air and watertight I horizontal package. The package consists of a poly ID sleeve, a paperboard ID liner or tube, 2 poly ID rings, paperboard OD edge protectors, and poly stretch film. CoilSeal, a patented product of Chadwick Engineering, has been developed to package coils in an air and watertight I horizontal package. The coil is manually prepped by inserting the ID sleeve and liner, then installing the ID ring. The sleeve is pulled over the outside of the ring on each side of the coil, and the excess material is pushed inside the ID. The OD edge protectors are then installed. The prepped coil is positioned on the coil car blocker rolls. In this case, a coil grab is being used. Other lifting devices such as a horn crane or C-hook or horn truck can be used to load the coil. The operator then holds the auto start push button depressed until the coil car has entered the machine past the entry light curtain. Once in the machine, the wrapping process is automatic. The coil OD is measured as the coil is moved to the wrap station. The stretch wrap dispenser automatically moves to the elevation of the coil center line. Once at the wrap station, the cocoon wrapping process starts. The number of layers of film and the overlap of each layer is easily adjusted individually, or a wrap recipe can be selected, all via the touchscreen display. The film pre-stretch and tension to load is maintained at a very low level, only as required to conform the 20-inch wide film to the coil. Once the wrapping is completed, the car with the cocoon wrapped coil travels to the seal station. During this move, the coil is rotated to seal the layers of film to each other, as well as to the coil face. This sealing, combined with the low film tension, maintains the integrity of the package, even when the film on the coil face is damaged by impacts from other coils or handling and shipping equipment, i.e., cuts in the film do not grow. The car and coil arrive at the seal station. The elevation of the platens has already been automatically set to match the center of the coil. The seal platens extend to engage the coil. Elements in the seal platens clamp the layers of film, melt the plastic, then cool to fuse the film to the face of the ID rings. During this process, the excess film in the ID is cut so it can be easily removed to expose an open coil ID. On completion of sealing, the car and coil move to the load-unload station, where the excess film in the ID is removed and the coil is ready for delivery to the shipping bay. The complete wrapping and sealing cycle takes about 6 minutes. A throughput of 5 to 6 coils per hour is easily achievable. The CoilSeal machine meets all OSHA safety requirements. The machine is fully enclosed. The coil entry-exit is protected with a safety-rated light curtain. An emergency stop is initiated if the light curtain is broken by anything other than the coil passing through. The operator entry gate is locked during operation. When it is safe to enter, the sliding gate can be opened and the safety circuit is interrupted. The safety circuit alarm must be reset at the operator station before the process can be resumed. Operator ease. All machine functions are continuously monitored and displayed on the operator screen. Operator selectable, automatic, manual, halt modes are available. Coil position lights ensure the coil is correctly positioned on the coil car blocker rolls. Performance screens to monitor the process. Diagnostic screens for ease of maintenance. Automatic detection of out of film. When the film roll is depleted, the turret automatically stops at the film load position. The dispenser moves to its lowest position, and the operator access door unlocks. The operator loads a new roll of film. Note that no threading of film around rolls is required. The operator exits the film load area, closes the safety gate, resets the alarm, and pushes the resume push button to complete the packaging cycle. Customer advantages. 1. Coils are not corroded or water stained. 2. Unpacking coils is quick and easy. 3. Used packaging materials are easily compacted. And 4. Packaging materials are 100% recyclable.
When our customers were shipping product down to either Mexico or to the southern U.S. from the Hamilton area, there were problems with the previous method of protecting the product. We would manually wrap the coils with paper, and that did not ensure a 100% seal. So it was susceptible to water damage during transit. So the new process, the CoilSeal line, ensures a 100% coverage of the product and inhibiting rust.
If your company wants to reduce coil packaging labor and material costs for I-horizontal coils, as well as reduce coil rejection rates at your customer, a CoilSeal system can help you. Systems can be designed to meet your specific coil size requirements.